Welcome to Haugen Racing, guys. Today we're going to teach you how to feint entry, specifically with a low horsepower car. We have our S13 missile car. It's got a stock SR20. It's like 200 horsepower. This is going to be super similar to what you guys should be using. So we're going to start with a very small corner, but still feint entry makes sense even on this small track, because with low horsepower, it's going to keep your momentum up, and that's really key with a low horsepower car. So at this corner, we're actually probably at a good starting point where the car is sitting right now. We're gonna start mid-track, and we're gonna go basically track right a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of go like track right, and then just like get that way, and probably do a clutch kick as well, especially since we're low power, and then we can kind of come on throttle, and really it's like full throttle after that. The reason why feint entry is so key, if we handbrake this, it slows the car down. If we clutch kick, we can't do as fast of an entry with just a clutch kick. You go flying off course. So the feint entry is really, in my opinion, the best with a low horsepower car. It keeps that inertia up. Make sure you can do clutch kick entries and handbrake entries first before you start doing feint entries. They are a lot gnarlier and you're going a lot faster. It's time to step it up a notch. Find a big corner. This still isn't a huge corner, but for a low horsepower car, this is a fairly large corner. You're gonna wanna run third gear, and you're gonna have to downshift in the second into that corner. So it can't really get through this in second unless you're like super loose and just like banging rev limiter, which we don't want. Here, it's still the same thing, but you're just gonna go like, everything's more dramatic. So you're gonna swing out more one way or the other. So coming down this way, you're gonna wanna flick this thing hard. So I would personally start like mid-track. I'm gonna basically like dive in track right, kick it out, and then whip it hard, track left. So I'm already kind of drifting a little bit on this right way, and then I swing it real hard left, and I'm immediately back on throttle, and I'm probably running clutch kicks throughout this whole corner. Get those down first, but then start practicing these. This is where it gets really fun. If you feel like you're going and you can't get it to rock enough, just do it harder. So come maybe a little bit like track left and then like dive track right and kind of flip it that way and then kick it hard the other way. So you'll see sometimes I'll do it. I'll go like track left and then flip it track right and then flip it again to the left. So. Guys, I mean, that's how to feint entry. This is hard. Going this fast in a low horsepower car and trying to maintain like this big of a corner, it's not easy. Practice those small corners, get up to the big corners, but it's fun. It's gonna make you a much better driver. Guys, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, drop them below. Let us know what you guys think of these videos. Check out the whole build on this thing right over there. And of course, hit that subscribe button. All right, see you guys in a couple days. Peace.